Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live up to 10 hours a day, every trading day that is, and I'm here to share with you my real trades, my real money, all of my real money, and this is it all together. There's nothing else anywhere else other than a couple of $100 in my checking account, and that is it, the day-to-day money. But really, most of that is here in Robinhood because I earn 4.4% APR on it. What's the point leaving it in the bank? And if I need it, I just transfer some back. But every single thing I have is here in front of you. All right, let's get straight into it. Let's bring all the information on the screen. Here are all the links. If you look below the video, you'll find all the links to my videos, my sponsors, and everything else I'm doing. We're joined today by one of our sponsors. Sensei Crypto is here, Ali Tizro. So if you look below, you will see the link to Ali and his Discord server. We'll discuss more about that later on as we go into the show. I've just got some breaking news for you. Google, I've just picked up $800 of Google. I like it. It's a great company. It went down and I got a discount on it. I just bought myself $800 worth of Google. It's not the best price, but it's a good dip, and I will scalp some off the top. So there we go. Let's have a look. Let's get straight into our trades and get straight into it. Here we go. If it's your very first time here, please do click subscribe and ring the bell. We're just 60 days away now from 1 million views, and we're on target for 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Welcome everybody over there on TikTok, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, multiple websites, Twitch, of course, and our home, as always, here on YouTube. Smash the like button, helps the channel grow if you do that. And also note that we do go out in 13 different languages. So if you want to turn on subtitles, you'll see in English right now, the title and description is in 13 languages, and the subtitles will come in about 24 hours after this. They will come in the other 13 languages as well. Now, remember, today is the very last day to get 25% discount. It's our very best discount in our shop right now. Spring are discounting their goods to me so I can pass it all on to you. I've passed it on. I haven't increased my prices to take advantage of that discount. That's directly from them on their costs, so I've passed 100% of it on to you. So right now, it's the best time ever to buy anything from my shop. If you're interested, it's until the end of today, and have a little look around the shop. Okay, let's get straight into it and see who's here. Tony, I agree with the halving coming up, says Sensei. Good week for ICP. Thank you, Silver Surfer. Lovely to have you here. Stephen Lewandowski, how are you? Stephen Lewandowski, your rack card, souvenir rack card, has been sent to you from eBay. Thank you very much indeed for that. I did it at just $1 because I'm trying to get 10 reviews so we can have international selling. Many of my friends and family here in Europe and around the world and in UK want to buy stuff, but they can't until I get 10 reviews. So if you would like to help me out with that, I'm selling some souvenirs at literally no profit whatsoever. Here is my eBay. I need 10 sales with 10 positive reviews. There you go. All right, go and have a little look. And this is what I was selling, what Stephen Lewandowski's just picked up. If you have a little look here. This is when I was the world piano man. I still am, I suppose. Phantom of the Opera. There you go. There's the rack card. And you can see both sides of it as well. All right. Just $1 plus postage. And there you go. Can't do it any cheaper than that. And we're going to have some fun with that. Once I've sold 10 things, we're going to have all kinds of funny things go on there. Anyway, I've got 3 sales. I need another couple more reviews, a few more reviews to get to 10. Anyway, let's carry on. Hi, says Silver Surfer. Morning, Malk, UK. How are you? Great to see you. My cup looks great, Martin. Yeah, it's over there in the. Finally, you'll all remember the mug for Mike. He won the fan of the year. And if you go into, where is it? Look down here now, into merchandise. you will see it appeared there. That's because I ordered it myself and sent it to him. So when someone orders something, and you can actually see it in the merchandise channel. There you go. There is the You're the Best. And you can see that Sensei got himself a special mug. You'll be seeing that on the show soon. There you go. And Stephen Lewandowski got himself an iPhone case. There you go. You can see it there, look. But anyway, there's mugs. There's Mike's mug. I'll bring it up in a second. Yeah. Let's go, visit the site. Here you go. This is Mike's mug. If anybody wants to buy one, you can buy one, of course, but there you go. That's what it looks like. And, of course, he's the first winner, Mike 2022. And as we go on in years, it'd be like a big trophy. All the winners will appear on there. And you can buy it in any one. If you want to be part of a collection, that was our first winner. That was Mike. He was any colour you want. Look, there you go. And You're the Best. You're the Best. It looks quite good in red, doesn't it? There you go. And again, today it's the cheapest. You'll get 25% off that price there. Okay. All right. Brilliant stuff. You might want it to be a collector's item. Sensei does look promising for some good returns. Hope everyone weekend was great. Jason, lovely weekend. Thanks for asking. Hope yours was as well. I will leave a plus review. Eric B, your item was sent as well. Your rack card. Thank you very much indeed. Give you good review soon. He's going when it arrives. Hang on a minute. It's got to arrive first. I ain't giving you a review until it arrives. The card will be a collector item since Phantom of the Opera had its last show last night. Well, there you go. There you go indeed. Mike, 5,000. Paul, back ordered. Paul's here. Lovely to see you here. Keaton S. How are you? Keaton S. $17 for a mug. Wow. Hey, 25% discount. And it's a one-off, custom made. What can I say? Remember, the majority of the price is spring. I don't make a fortune. I make a couple of bucks on a mug. All right. I don't charge a fortune. I make a couple of bucks a mug. And right now it's 25% discount. It's the cheapest I can do it. Okay. Special edition Luca mug, $5 Birkenhead. Right. You've asked for it now. You've asked for it. You do it on purpose, and then you go, no, why did I say anything? There he is.
Watching Martyn Lucas. He's a cheeky chappy from the south of England, and he's a lot of fun.
There you go, Paul B. Right, that's what happens when you wind me up. You get a shout out on the show. That was Paul B, by the way. Right, let's go through the stocks this morning. I just picked up some Google. Let's have a quick look for a scalp trade. Now remember my strategy now. Right, I've got a very precise strategy which works really, really well. Let me explain to you. I think this really is a foolproof strategy, and I've been up consistently, continually all year, every week going up the same. Okay, going up continually, and this is what we're doing, right? This is how I'm doing it. I've got my main brokerage account. Here it is. This is where I've got my positions. I've been buying all the way down, buying, the dips, each time getting lower, my averages. I sell nothing in here. $38,000. I receive dividends. The dividends do not get automatically invested. That's a lazy man's way of doing it. Should never do that. Should take the cash, earn interest on it, and then buy on the dips, not just buy at an all-time high. Consistently in reinvesting over years does work, only because human beings don't bother doing it. That's why people say dollar cost average, every month, every week. Yeah, but if you're actively trading, then you should actually look for the lowest prices when they dip, and then double up on those times. So that's what I do. My dividends get paid in, and I look for a little dip, and then I buy in. I don't just buy in today at an all-time high. It'd be, nothing goes straight up. There's always little dips. So my buying power, as you can see, there's 1,041.61. That earns 4%. Now, I've only had that, 3 days? I've earned 77 cents. Don't knock it. I love it. I'm very, very happy with that. right? It's free money. I'm not doing anything, just holding it. That is cash that pays my bills. That's my now checking account. If I need some money to pay off my credit card because I've paid the electric bill today, I transfer some out. So it's earning money there. So that's great, all right? As I earn more money and I've got past my 3 months bills, you always have 3 months of bills. As I earn more money, if I did a big gig, which, I'm not now, I'm just doing YouTube. So if YouTube earns me more money next month and I can put in more money, I will, but I'm always going to keep 3 months of bills, right, before I buy anything else. So I'm buying nothing, selling nothing, just holding it, reinvesting dividends. That's that side of it. The other side of it, this is where the fun kicks in, is my Roth IRA. Now, my Roth IRA, remember, is tax-free trading, not just tax-free investing. This is my scalp trading account. This is where I buy in. Now, I'm always looking for low positions. I've got buy orders at my all-time lows. So if anything suddenly flash crashes on our earnings, we start the earnings tomorrow, folks, right? Back to earnings tomorrow. I think our first one tomorrow is, I believe, J&J. There it is. We're doing J&J tomorrow. Pre-market, J&J, then we've got Tesla, Next Era, Coca-Cola. We're covering all the main earnings. So tomorrow morning, join us early for the earnings. Coming back to this. So I'm looking for my all-time lows. If I ever get a dip overnight, I'm always keeping cash. As you can see, there is $1,689 ready to go. I don't spend it all, right? Now, 1,300 is already earmarked. That means if we suddenly got a breaking news of something that I want to own, a company I want to own, not a share price, something I want to own, something that's a great company with history, J&J, Coca-Cola, VU, all the rest. You know what I'm talking about. It'll buy one, and then I can reset and buy some more, and if I have some more cash, I might double up at that position. But what it allows me to do, and what I really like about this, is it's my scalp trading account. So I've just bought, a few moments ago, I've just bought Google. Because Google was down 4% this morning and was starting to get near, well, my portfolio was at the bottom in December, right? I called the bottom in December. So we're trading along the bottom. There may be more to go down, I don't know. But at the moment, it looks to me like a bottom, for me anyway. We've got inflation coming down, CPI data improving. Remember, the economy is 6 months behind the markets. So we're now coming into a recession. We may already be in a recession. We don't know yet till the figures come out. So to me, great time to start buying like this, right? So I'm buying a great company, Google, down 4% this morning, and I bought 8. Now the idea is, it's my first entry into Google. So what I'm going to do is I bought more than I actually want. So I want to trim off the top. So the idea is, if we can pop up, if we can get that back up again, see, that's a heck of a drop. Let's see it. Look at that. That's a heck of a drop. That's one of what I call like a flash crash, right? If we can make 2 or 3%, I will sell. That'll be a day trade. I'm allowed so many and remember, pattern day trading does mean you get flagged, but it doesn't matter. But there is a disadvantage if you're doing this because you won't be able to earn stock lending. I earn 1% on my stock lending. I lend all my stocks out. I earn 1%, and I also earn the 4.4% APR, right? So I want to protect my day trades. Don't do too many because I would lose that advantage. But the idea is, if that pops up today, back up to zero, I will sell half of it. I will sell half of it. I won't sell all of it. I want to hold it, and then now I'm in, I'll try and lower. But I will sell half of that today, take a profit, bank it. And this is the exciting part. There's no tax to pay on my Roth day trading. It's perfect. So I leave the other brokerage alone because I pay tax on that. The idea is I can't put any more money in. I'm maxed out. I put $7,000 in last year, 7.5 in this year. That's it. That's all you can do. They increased it by $500 this year. So I'm day trading this, making money on this. It's great companies that I want to own long term, but also I pay no tax on that trading. I thought it was no tax on it, the profits you took when you left. No, you can also day trade on it and make profit and pay no tax on it at all. So essentially, theoretically, if you were the best day trader in the world, you could grow this this 7 grand, 7.5, so that what, 14.5 grand float, if you like, investment on my Roth. You could turn that into $1 million and never pay any tax on it at all. Zero. That is phenomenal. So I'm trying to day trade this and pump my way up. So you want to own Google. It wasn't the all-time low. It wasn't the best price in the world, but 4% down pre-market. I like it. Why not buy some with every intention of selling half of that as soon as it goes up. Now, I don't care how high it goes. If I make a profit, I make a profit. So that's my plan. That's my strategy. All right. And does it work? Well, overall portfolio, all-time high. It's working consistently. $52,240. There you go. Consistently. So year to date, we're up 9.31. It's brilliant. I love it. Really, really good. It's stress-free investing and trading. It's not going to make me the richest man in the world, but it's going to make me continually grow, pay no taxes, and enjoy my trading. Anyway, let's go back to the questions, and we've got 45 minutes before the bell goes. Let's have a look and read all these questions. Are you planning? Yes. I definitely will be. If not, I am. Yes, I will cover it. Okay, let's go to it now. Start. Yes, SpaceX test flight live. Yep, I'm going to cover it live on the show. Okay, here we go.
Those engines in just over 31 minutes from now. As we mentioned before, there are 33 of them on the super heavy, the booster.
We'll cover
we don't
SpaceX.
see it right now, but the cluster in the center are the ones that are actually going to gimbal and help steer the booster.
So yes, we will cover SpaceX today. Brilliant. Let's scroll down our comments. Less than 1 hour until launch. We'll cover it. Less than 20 minutes apparently. Sensei. Yep, I'm covering it here. Yes, watch the SpaceX launch. Next 6 months of crypto is likely to be the big slump. 10 grand, the halving. I messaged you about the Discord. We need to watch the launch. We're watching the launch. There it is on the screen right now. There you go. Eric, Paul Keaton, good afternoon. I'm off in a mo. Gonna watch it. Keaton S, we're watching it here. I want to see the build up too. You can chat trading anytime. Hi, Stephen. There you go. We're covering all of it. I'm covering the build up.
Assist with orienting itself during the return back to Earth, as today is the fully integrated flight test, and the first one, we're focusing on safely testing just the fundamental systems and operations on the vehicle. So what that means is we won't be attempting to land on land
Google
today.
Invest
Instead,
in SpaceX.
Super Heavy is going to be making that hard water landing in the Gulf.
Starship, or the spacecraft, is the second stage and makes up the top portion of the vehicle. It's designed for carrying passengers and cargo between destinations on Earth,
a new guest here this morning. That's Baron Bowl.
It stands 50 meters tall, a little taller than the Statue of Liberty. It's comprised of 6 Raptors. We saw those just.
I'm using Robinhood, and if you use my referral link, I will give it to you right now. And if you use my referral link, then you can have some free stocks. All right, here's my free stocks. Invite, share link. Okay, here we go. Share link, copy. I'll drop that in the chat. Between $5 and $200 if you use my link. We both get some free stocks, so I'll happily share that with you. Here we go. Here it is. We are covering SpaceX, of course. There you go. I'll give it you twice. If anyone uses that, sets up an account, I will support you in using it, of course. And we will also both get some free stocks.
It's about a third of what Earth's gravity is. And on the moon, the gravity is just a sixth
Joel,
of what it is here. So Starship can take off in both of those cases without needing the super heavy booster like we need here on Earth. Now, for today's test, Starship does not
Baron
have
Handley.
its landing legs attached.
How are you, Baron?
That's because
Lovely
we aren't going to be attempting to return to the launch site or land on land. It's going to be doing another hard.
It'd be great to see Tesla break $200 today. Yes, it would. I will trim Elon, time the launch well, 2 minutes before the bell. 200 would be like a 7% move. Let's have a little look. Baron, what's your thoughts on the dollar value the next couple of years with a new world order? I'm not concerned about that. I'm not concerned about that at all. Robin allows you to do Roth to trade it, allows you to use a Roth to trade. Yes, it's phenomenal. Yes, it does. It's where I do my tax-free day trading. It's absolutely brilliant. What's your thought on the dollar value the next couple of years with a new dollar? No concern about that at all. Let me go back to my Roth IRA, and I will share with you what I'm doing. There we go. There's my overall portfolio. There's Google coming up. 52,723. There we go. Watching Google right now. Love it. It's going back to SpaceX. We're keeping an eye on all the charts. We're covering SpaceX this morning on the show. Let's go for all our positions at the moment. You won't miss it. Look at that. Isn't it amazing? If you want to go and see the size of it, it's huge. The S&P is up slightly. Virgin Galactic up 1.8. Let's go to my Roth position. Roth IRA. I took my profits. Let's refresh. Oh, VORB. It's VORB Q. Now, that's why that wasn't there. I was thinking, why isn't that showing up? It's because it's VORB Q. That's why. What are they doing today? It's all being closed down, as we all know. We are watching, of course, SpaceX.
Our fuel is liquid methane at a temperature of just over 100 kelvins, or about minus 272 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, this is a different fuel from Falcon 9, where we use RP1 kerosene. And our oxidizer is liquid oxygen, the same as Falcon 9. But because there's no oxygen in space to support combustion, we have to...
Okay, we are covering SpaceX, so stay with us. Google's going up. Tesla is up 0.94. Let me go to my Roth position. That's really that's the only place we're trading right now until we add some more money from outside sources. We've got 8 today. We're up 12% now. We're not buying when it goes up. Lucid. We buy when it goes down. Apple, Amazon, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, J&J. It's not enough of a dip. Google, I'm up since I bought it now. Look, there we go. Made $2.49 so far. Now, the plan is to sell half of those. That's the idea. I've never had a position on my Roth before, but we need to sort of pan out and get a perspective. It's down over the year. It's not a bad time to buy it, but it's been lower. It's been as low as 88. So what I'll do is if we make some money from it, look, I've got $3 worth. I've made $3. That's tax free. No tax whatsoever. I can scalp trade it, make some money. The idea is if we can get it up 4% today, that's a good return in one day. I'll take 4% all day long. And what I'll do is I'll sell half my position, sell 4 shares, so $400. Make some money. Very, very happy to do that. Brilliant. Let's see how that goes. Microsoft up 1.64. We're still watching SpaceX. We'll come back to it. You're not going to miss anything at all. Amazing thing.
New airplane to be constructed every time you wanted to fly. You rarely go anywhere, and it would probably be completely unaffordable for most of us. In order for us to get to Mars and back with lots of people.
Okay, let's have a look. What's the limit this year that we can fund it? 7,500. 7,500. Sorry, I haven't checked. Thanks so much, Joel. Not at all. Not at all. If you become a member of our channel, I can do a lot more for you, support you in a lot more. But yes, it is 7,500. I'll share with you exactly. Here's my Roth IRA. Here you go. Look, there's my Roth IRA. And I started it last year with Robinhood. Started it in 2022, December. I maxed it out within a month, 7,000. Got my 70 bucks match. Fantastic. That's free money. Then 2023 started in January. I'd maxed it out by April, March actually. I did it in 3 months. 7,500. I got $75 free money, maxed out. I can't do anything else now. That is completely maxed out until January the 1st. 2024. So there's my Roth. Now it's down overall because of Virgin Orbit. I lost a lot of money on Virgin Orbit, as did everybody else. But I'm scalp trading my way back up to profit again. And I should be there within a couple of weeks. So there we go. Maybe less than that, actually. Okay. We could do very well today on the stocks, and we could do very well with Google today. So there you go. That's my position. That's my main brokerage account. And my overall position now is a new all-time high. New all-time high today, 52,269. New all-time high. Okay. So there we go. And since I've been scalp trading and doing it this way, I've been consistently up. Since I got rid of Virgin Orbit and started, you can see in the last month it's consistently up. So there you go. I didn't realize I could actually trade tax-free like that. I mean, that's just ridiculous, isn't it? Absolutely brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. So what we're watching Google to see if I can take some profits from it. I'm up 0.25%. That's lovely. As you can see, 0.25%. I'll take the profit. No issue at all. All right, we'll come back to that in a minute. Here's SpaceX. We are covering the launch. I know you all want to see it.
SpaceX is also incredibly honored to be part of NASA's Artemis program to establish a sustainable presence on the moon to prepare for missions to Mars. Starship's early test launches, followed by those regular Starlink deployment missions and propellant transfer demonstrations, are direct.
Joe, yes, Robinhood gives me 3 trades a week. I've got unlimited trades. I can trade as much as I want because I have over 25,000. However, and I'm a margin customer as well. I don't use margin, but it's a margin account. I can also transfer into my account $250,000 instantly. $250,000 can go into my Robinhood account immediately. Even though I might not have it in my bank, I can transfer it in. Of course, if I do that and act irresponsibly, they will take away that privilege. But right now, I can transfer an instant cash deposit of $250,000. But of course, it'd be ridiculous to do that because I've only got $200 in my bank account. But that's what I've got. However, even though I can trade unlimited and 1,000 times a day, I don't want to because I want to maintain earning 1% from lending out all my stocks, called stock lending. I earn 1% doing that. I also earn 4.4% on my uninvested cash. I would lose that as well. You know, that's why I'm not going to get pattern day traded. I'd rather just take my time. It works out better. Okay, this SpaceX presentation is amazing. So much information, nothing like Vorb. Yeah, exactly.
The
Nothing
Starship
like
program
Vorb, is
saw
it?
a huge breakthrough
Good
during
morning,
a
everyone.
test flight of the vehicle known as serial number 8, or SN8. SN8 demonstrated a first-of-its-kind controlled aerodynamic descent and landing flip maneuver. Yes, I'm talking about the belly flop. This 12.5-kilometer hop test took place December 2020 and saw the SN8 prototype ascend to an altitude of 12.5 kilometers and conduct a belly flop maneuver. While it didn't stick the landing, the test was a major milestone in the development of Starship.
I love seeing the belly flop maneuver. Now, testing continued with the prototype on serial number 9.
Okay, so we'll be covering SpaceX shortly. Let me just correct my screen. For some reason, why is that? Why has that gone to there? That should be. Why has that done that? Video screen. Just bear with me a second. This screen, for some reason, has just decided to go to that screen. Just bear with me. I don't know why. We've got 29 minutes to go. Google's now going up. I'm up 0.39, 329. It's good. Camera. Why on earth has that changed? It's lost this. What's going on here? I apologize for this, folks. I'm just lost my screen. I'll answer your questions in a minute. Okay, sorting tar. Yep. We're going to watch the SpaceX.
Interplanetary flights, and that's ultimately what will help humanity return to the moon and travel to Mars and be.
Flipping it, where's it gone? Any chance we could have invest live feed on instead of back of your head, please? That's what I'm working on, yes. I apologize. The screen just disappeared and I'm trying to fix it. I don't know where it's gone. Where the heck is that gone? Just bear with me a second. New screen share overlay. Primary display. Secondary, tertiary. Why on earth did that disappear? Just bear with me a second. Re-enable camera source scene. You're having flashbacks. Fair enough. I'll give you that. I don't know why. I don't think there's anything wrong. Well, there is something wrong, but the software got updated last night, and it just took away one of my scenes, and I can't, for the life of me, work out why it's done that. But anyway, I've got a backup for it. So I'll have to do it that way. When we get to it, we'll do it this way. Okay, we'll do it this way.
Several other boats out overnight. We're down to one, and we expect that'll be clear so that we can proceed with launch out over the Gulf of Mexico. But as a reminder, T-minus 15 minutes, 10 seconds and counting. We are working an issue on the first stage, and we'll bring an update as we get more insight into that issue.
Now, today's test flight is taking place out of our Starbase facility in South Texas, and that facility has gone through a tremendous amount of change.
Okay, we'll come back to that in a few moments. We're trying to make money, of course, from Google, and we're doing well. We're up 0.5% now. Let's have a quick look. I'm live on NASA TV. Jason Holcomb, good morning to you. Ha Silver. Let me read some of these comments. Any chance we could have a live feed instead of the back of your head? Yes. That when you're saying time high, how are you calculating? I thought you were down a fair bit. All-time high. I mean, my balance is all-time high. That's what I'm looking at. We understand. You know I'm down 40 grand. 22. We're talking about that's the highest amount I've ever been up. So I've lost money, but that's the highest amount I've ever been up. Does that make sense? Okay. I've never had $52,000 as a balance, ever. Okay. Stock lending hurts the market by giving short shares to short. Good morning, Mr. Lucas and the viewers. ETORO, I just built a new office desk and got 2 bars, 9 screws and 3 nuts left over. Any chance of the live feed? Yes, we will be doing it. Good morning, family. You can never complain about Virgil Albright presentation ever again, though. Very good. Hi, Queen. Hi, Silver. It's live on NASA TV. That's pretty awesome. Oh, no, there's an issue. Might have to call it off. Let's have a look. You're only joking, right? Let's go back to it just a moment. And let's cover it again. Here we go. Let's see what's going on. Okay. 13 minutes to go. We'll be there for it. Oops, we don't want to be playing the music. Get myself flagged for copyrighted audio. Tony Betts, thank God my wife can't see this. It would make her write about men struggling to multitask. I've only got 14 screens and I'm literally in this studio on my own on 20 platforms at once, beg your pardon, 14 screens. It's quite a bit to do on your own, but I manage it. So there you go. Managing the lights, the cameras, the sound, and all of you as well, and trading my real money at the same time. Okay, I wondered if you meant from a certain date, etc., but I get it. It's the highest balance at any point, but overall it would be higher if you'd never traded. Got it. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Want to be absolutely clear about that. Okay, Google's going up. Let's look at my overall position here. Let's go back to here, look. You can see right now. There you go. There's my balance. There's nothing to show you with SpaceX yet. We've got 20 minutes to go. There's my Roth IRA. Google's coming up. There's my Roth IRA. And my all-time balance is an all-time high, 52,261. Never had that much before, ever. Okay, back down to Google. You can see Lucid is going down. A drop, Lucid today. I've got 100 shares now, down 2.35. I'm not buying any more. It's got to make money from there. I'm not going to chase it all the way down. I'm not going to do that. What else have we got that's moving right now? Coinbase is down today. How much is that down by? It's not worth going at that level. Need to go cheaper than that. J&J. No, that's not a big enough dip for me to buy anymore. So there you go. That's what we're doing right now. Okay. How many pairs of ladies' underwear did you leave? Oh, that was a fun afternoon. No question about it. No question about it. That was a fun afternoon, and I raised $811 for me to pay for YouTube ads to do a video and promote it for those in Ukraine, in Kiev. So very, very nice indeed. All right, let me go back to SpaceX a minute and see what we're doing. Here we go. Let's bring it up for you. Okay.
Beachside as well. Now, the Starship team has worked incredibly hard to get ready for this test, and we're all clearly excited for T0. And as we get into the final moments, one issue that could hold the countdown or cancel the test altogether is if a boat enters the safety perimeter. Now, over my shoulder is the Gulf of Mexico, which is normally very open to all of the boaters and fishers. However, today, SpaceX is closely coordinating with the United States Coast Guard to establish a safe zone and ensure public safety. And up to T0, SpaceX is in regular communication with the Coast Guard to ensure there are no boats in the area leading up to the launch. Now, fingers crossed that does not happen. Now, I'll throw it back to the folks at Hawthorne as we get closer and closer to that T-0.
Okay, we'll come back to that as soon as we get any more updates on it. Google just dropping a little bit. I'm flat on it at the moment. Let's keep our eye on it. The overall position is there. Let me just see how many people are with me right now. If you would please, we are covering the SpaceX launch as well this morning. Give me a thumbs up. We've got 36 watching and 21 likes by simply tapping the subscribe and ring the bell. And the thumbs up really helps the channel grow. So it'd be really great if you could do that. Launch stopped. Launch stopped. Let's have a look. Let me go back to it a minute. Has it the launch stopped? Not yet, it hasn't. Ali?
We're also going to go through pressurization steps, other steps of the countdown. This will be a full validation for the team, but currently the plan right now is we're waiting for final word, is that I think at T-minus 10 seconds, we will finally stop the clock and then recycle the countdown for today. Now we're inside T-minus 8 minutes and counting. We're continuing to load propellant on both the first and second stage. You can see the Starship second stage with the heat shield tiles there. Carriage arms are open. You can see the condensation around the first stage tank as we load liquid methane to liquid oxygen into the large super heavy first stage. And that propellant loading is continuing until T-minus 3 minutes. As a reminder, and there's our great view looking up at the Raptor engines, the 33 engines. There's an outer ring of 20 engines, and then there's an inner set of 13. Those are the engines that can gimbal and adjust the course of the Starship vehicle on the way up. And of course, the first stage as it comes back down towards the water landing in the Gulf of Mexico. Now, when both stages are loaded, you can see the condensation frost on the side of the first stage. We'll have just over 10 million pounds of liquid propellant on board. Inside T-minus 7 minutes, we're continuing to count. Team is preparing for the hold and scrub at T-minus 10 seconds. Now, the good news is everything's been going good. We're just working that one issue. So we are continuing to count. Team will get this as an excellent opportunity to run the end-to-end of the system. Now, in a launch, in the next few minutes, the guidance system would be performing its final alignment. We will be doing that this morning. The automated flight termination system would be armed. We won't need to arm it today as we won't be flying. And we'll do final thrust vector control checkouts, what we call wiggles of the Raptor engines on the first and second stages. Now, normally in a countdown, if we needed to hold, there's a view of the second stage Raptor engines just above the first stage. Now, as I mentioned, in a regular countdown, if we needed to hold, that would come at T-minus 40 seconds. That's the point in the countdown where we can pause to wait for final checkouts or pressurization to complete. Now, earlier this morning, we thought we might have to hold at 40 seconds. Everything's looking good, except for the one pressurization issue that the team is going to have to troubleshoot after this morning. So we won't stop at 40 seconds right now. We'll continue all the way down to 10 seconds, and then we'll go into a recycle.
John, you mentioned that we're going to be jumping into a wet dress rehearsal here.
Okay, so there
And
we
I'd
go.
actually think that
No launch today, as it seems. And of course, Google didn't like that, did they? As we heard, Google are investing in SpaceX. So we've got a bit of a drop now this morning, which might mean a reaction because the stock will go back up again regardless. This is what happened this morning. It sold off because they invest in SpaceX. So people then sold it with the hope then it will just buy it back, which is exactly what I did. And it will still go back up again anyway. So I'm not bothered. We can do it again when they next announce their flight. So I'm still going to get some profit out of this. I'm pretty sure. You have stopped the launch, Martin. Yeah, I cancelled it. They rung me up. Elon Musk said, Martin, what do you think about the launch? And I went, mate, I'm trying to invest on Google here on the show. So my Martyn Lucas Investor Channel. Have you ever heard of it? He went, oh yeah, I watch it all the time. I said, well, there you go then. You know what I'm talking about. It's a bit inconvenient, your flipping rocket right now. He said, all right, do it another day. I'll cancel it. So that's what's happened right now. We're just waiting for it to be get down to 10 seconds and it will just be zeroed out. It's all your fault, Martin. Absolutely. Totally agree. 100%. All right. So there's no more of that. There's no much to talk about. All right. So we're going to carry on as per normal. All right. No issue there. Shame. It is a shame. It would have been quite good, wouldn't it? Anyway, let's have a look. What's going on? I'm still holding my Google positions now. It was still good to get a 4% discount anyway. So it's okay. Let's go back to the brokerage account, and you can see I'm still up 17% from my original purchase. But took a bit. This is on my brokerage account, so it's not the cheapest it's ever been. But it may never be there again. How far is the launch site from you? It's Austin, Texas. A couple of hours, I suppose. Couple of hours. I can nip down there, couldn't I? Have a word. I've come to have a word with Elon Musk, please. Can I sort this out, please? Anyway, let's have a little look. Roth IRA position. There we go. I'm down 255. I'm not going to sell it. I'm going to hold that position there. I got a bit of a discount today, and we'll take advantage of that later on. So there we go. That's Google right now. The Roth IRA is just falling down because of that a little bit. Virgin Galactic. We're looking for a $3 buy-in today. If we can, that will go down today as well. See, that's starting to dip as well. So we're looking for. There's always a silver lining. There's always opportunity out of all stocks and all news. So Virgin Galactic now will go down. So when that goes down to $3, I'll be able to pick some up. Excellent. Okay, let's wait for that to go down. I haven't set an order yet. We'll wait to the bell. Virgin Orbit, we're just observing it. Rivian, Tesla. Yeah, Tesla's going down. This is great because we know it's coming. We know they're going to have success. This is presenting opportunity. Martyn's 500 miles or so from the launch site. Am I? I had no idea. Thank you. Where is it? Austin, isn't it? Was it Florida? I don't bloody know. Where is it? I don't know. A pressurant valve appears to be frozen, so unless it starts operating soon, no launch today. Okay. A pressurant valve appears to be frozen. I get that all the time. I know that. I know the issues. All right. Anyway, Tesla. This is great. This is what we want. It didn't blow up. Nothing bad happened. But what it does mean is we get some opportunities today to buy the dips, right? Tesla's bound to sell back a bit today. It's great. Have some money on hand. Right, have some money on hand. I wouldn't be surprised if Google goes back up 4% and I can do it again. To be honest, I wouldn't be at all surprised if Google does it again and then later on today it'll sell before it flies and then it'll pop again. So it gives me another opportunity to make the money twice. I think I wouldn't be surprised if Google goes up today 3 or 4%. I can make 4%, sell it, tax-free, remember. So it's in my Roth, and then just buy it again when they fly again. Just watch it again. You need more fiber, mate. Warm up the valve with a lighter. You need more fiber. Why? What do I need more fiber for? What have I done? What have I done? Anyway, let's have a little look. Google, Microsoft, Walmart. We're looking at Lucid as well today. Lucid went down. Let's go to my Roth position. That's what we're talking about. That's where we're trading it. I'm down 2.2. I'm not going to buy any more. My target price is $6. I bought it, as you know, because of that overreaction. So I'm hoping to take some profit from it today. For your frozen valve, keep up. Why do I need... Oh, very funny. Very funny. Now I got it. I'm sorry, mate. That's not worth a good joke. Yeah. Yeah, sorry about that. Let's go to the breakfast bar. Let's see what everyone's posting in the breakfast bar. You'll notice in the merchandise, some stuff's been going on in the merchandise. Flipping, I can't share it. This is so annoying. Why can't I not share it? System audio. Something's not anyway, doesn't matter. I can't share it. Go and look in the breakfast bar. Go and look in the merchandise, and you'll see Mike's mug and some other little surprises as well. Okay. That's Silver Surfer. Very, very funny. Lucid. Not cheap enough to buy anymore and not profitable yet. Google going sideways now. Has my cup popped up yet? Has your cup popped up yet? What, the green one? Did you order it? That was on March the 8th. No, it hasn't. It hasn't. It normally goes straight through. Who ordered it? Did you order it? I don't know what. It goes straight through. Did you go onto the Martyn Lucas Investor shop, or did you go onto the Martyn Lucas shop? That's probably what you did. Because the moment you buy it, we tested it yesterday, because several items went through straight away. It's straight away. I think you done it on the Martyn Lucas shop, not the Martyn Lucas Investor shop. That's what I think. Anyway, what are we supposed to post in the breakfast bar? Keaton S. Every morning in the breakfast bar, everyone gets together and shares what they're having for breakfast, talk about what they're doing in the trades. It's like a pre-show get together. Everyone shares their desk with what they're looking at on the screen. They've all got their mugs. They've got their tea and toast, whatever. Link from your website. Right? Okay. Which one? There's two. You went which? Let me have a look. Shop for merchandise. Okay. Yeah. Did you go to the day trader shop or did you go to the Martyn Lucas shop? That's what I want to know. Did you go to the day trader shop or did you go to the Martyn Lucas shop? See, look, there's two. There's the Martyn Lucas shop and there's the day trader shop. Hopefully you went here. If you went here, that doesn't show on Discord because that's the other channel. So which shop did you go to? I don't know. All right. Google. God knows I was tipsy, remember? Yeah, God knows. Yeah. Leah washing up again. I cannot believe you can hear that. This microphone is incredible that it picks up that much. Can you hear my tea? Can you hear the spoon in the tea? There you go. Next era energy up 1%. End phase energy up 2%. Thank you, Leah. Thank you. Oh, coffee. Oh, it's coffee. I got coffee now, look. Yeah, is that a fan I hear? Bitcoin's down today. Right, the Roth IRA is going up. The Roth IRA is moving up. So we got Tesla we want to buy if it goes below 180. Lucid, still going down. So it must be Google moving then. Yes, it's starting to come up again. There we go. But most importantly, it's probably J&J. No, hang on. What's going up then? What's going up? Oh, it's Coca-Cola. It's Coca-Cola and Amazon. Amazon's going up because everyone's going Jeff Bezos' rocket works. There you go. Jeff Bezos' rocket works. There you go. That's what's going on there. Look, can you see it? That's quite funny. Yeah, Amazon's doing well today. All right, I'm not buying SpaceX anymore. I'm buying Amazon instead. That's what people are saying right now. Anyway, 5 minutes to go. Let's get ready for the bell. If you've just tuned in, welcome. Now then, I'm doing a little bit of fun here, and I'd love you to help me out. I've got to get to 10 referrals on my eBay shop so I can sell internationally. I want to sell some merchandise to our friends around the world. So this is just for Americans. There is my eBay item. I'm selling one of my Phantom of the Opera World Piano Man rack cards for literally $1. The cheapest I could do it, just so we can get 10 orders and 10 referrals. If you wouldn't mind, it'd be absolutely great. I'll put the link for you in the chat. It really, really helped me enormously. Here it is. This is my eBay shop. All right, there's the item, $1. I just need to get 10 sales, and then I can introduce some stuff. There's my Phantom of the Opera thing when I did that, look, and my World Piano Man on the back. And I sign it for you. I'll sign it for you, put your name on it, and it's just $1 plus postage, of course. But if you can, that'd be absolutely brilliant. All right, that'd be absolutely brilliant. Okay. 3 minutes to go. It was scrubbed when you had your glitch with your system. See? There you go. Me and Elon Musk were linked in. We're linked in, I tell you. You got no idea. We're linked in all the time. It's absolutely brilliant. Right, there's 42 watching, 25 likes. If you just tuned in, please subscribe, ring the bell. We are scalp trading today, and the idea is $200 a day is my target. That's what I try to make. Some days I exceed that. Some days it's a bit less. But the Roth IRA is looking pretty good. Hey, hang on a minute. Hang on a minute. What happened there? Okay, we're all right. I was getting a bit annoyed then. Okay, so there you go. There's my Roth IRA is coming up. So it is the main portfolio. That must mean Amazon's moving then. And we're at a new all-time high, 52,272. New all-time high. Great stuff. Lovely. Let's look down and see. Coca-Cola's going up. This is my Roth position. This is my scalp position. Amazon. Everyone's buying Amazon because of Elon Musk failing. I think that's quite funny. Robinhood opportunity. AMV going up. Google just going sideways. So let's look at Robinhood opportunity there. Let's have a look. Robinhood. Here we go. 1 minute to go. We're coming up to the bell. Robinhood. I've got buy orders in my Roth IRA already placed. So it's at 9.50, I think, the next one. Next round is. There you go. All placed, ready to go at 9.50. Here we go. 1 minute to go. Here we go. So we are coming now into the bell. And we're looking at Google. If we can pop it up just a couple of percent, I'll take my profit on it. Remember, I can scalp trade for free, tax-free, using my Roth IRA. So it's a great way to make money with no risk at all, really. It's a company you want to own, and you can scalp it for free. 30 seconds to go. Here we go. 20 seconds to go. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See, my countdown works. Elon Musk, my countdown works. All right, here we go. We're making money on Google. I can sell it at any point I like now. I'd like to get 4% from it because it's an overreaction. It sold off this morning with the flight. And that was the idea. And if it had done well, it would have gone up maybe 10%. But now it's just going to go back up to 4%, I think, anyway. So I'll just take my profit from it. And the idea is what I will do is I will sell half. I will sell half. All right. So there you go. I've got a position now, but I'll sell half. Let's see how much money we can get out of it. I'm up $5. I'm up 5.27. There it goes. 5.93, 5.77, 5.93. I mean, I'm happy to make literally $1 on a trade. I don't care because at the end of the day, it's a company I want to own. I've got no issue with owning Google at all. It's a great company. Doesn't pay me a dividend, so there's no advantage there. But I'm very happy to own it. And if I can make some money from it, great. Glide flight happening now. I got no notification about that, Pete Barker, on the app that I installed. None at all. So let's go have a look. Glide flight. You say it's happening now. This app didn't give me any anything at all. VGX2. No, that's not flying. I don't see that happening. I'll come back to that. I can't see it. I'm not disputing what you're saying, but I don't see that information. We're looking at Google. We'll take some profit in a minute. Let me go over to my flight radar, the one that I normally use. Let's have a little look. I don't see it, but thank you for letting me know. Okay. White Knight. No flights. No glide flight. Okay, I've got no flight. So I'm not disputing what you're saying, but I've checked all the flight numbers. And have they changed number? Virgin Galactic 3. Let me have a look. What is the flight number then, please? Can you give me the flight number? And I will search for it. I haven't got anything at all. We're watching Virgin. We're watching be VGX03, I'd imagine. VGX0303. Search for that. No results for that. Okay. I can't find it. I've got no confirmation of that. If you can send me via Discord the flight number, I will look, but I can't see it under any of those call signs at all. Anyway, and nobody from Virgin told me they were flying this morning either. Google up 0.82. Right, we're looking to make some profit here this morning on Google. Let's go through the S&P. It's not cheap enough yet. It's going down. That's not cheap enough. Virgin Galactic, I'll buy it at 3 today. That's bound to go down. VGX3. I put 03. VGX3. No results. No. Are you winding me up or what? I don't see any information, and why would the stock be going down if it was flying? I don't get it. I don't get what you're saying. VG extra. I'm looking, but I don't see it. No result at all. Are you having a laugh or what? I would know if they were flying because I get information from people who work there. But anyway, I don't see it. I've searched for it. And under all the different signs and all the different apps, and I don't see it at all. But if you've got any more information, please share with me. Sorry about that. Virgin Galactic, I'm looking to buy it. Portfolio's going up. Try VGX5. Okay, I'll try that instead. VGX5. X5. No results for that either. All right, I've got to move on from this then because I don't think Virgin Galactic's flying. Somebody would tell me if it was. Anyway, okay, and the share price would certainly not be going down. So, not Pete Barker, what's going on here? CFRX, beautiful dip, buy the scalp. CFRX. Buy the scalp now. Are you saying? Duplicate, here we go. CFRX, the top tip from Ed Nevius. CFRX. Contrafect. Let's have a look. Here we go. It is Contrafect. It's loading. Come on. 241. I'm a bit too late for that. Ed. Dip. Buy the scalp. Yeah. I'm too late for that, surely. Yeah, I'm not going to touch that now. I'm too late for that. Thanks for letting me know, but I think it's a little bit too late for me. It wasn't open, yeah. Yeah, I miss all these scouts, I'm afraid. I don't get them. But the rest of you do. You get them before the show. I can't do that because we're in the middle of trading, of course. Right. Virgin Galactic, 334. My average. So I'm not going to buy it yet. Virgin Orbit, we're just watching it for the information. Rivian, Tesla. Going down, it's not cheap enough yet. Lucid, right, okay, we're starting to go up now. Down 2.46, not cheap enough yet. Apple, nothing there yet. Amazon's having a great day. We're not selling any more Amazon now. We've already trimmed. We've already made our profits. Everyone's buying Amazon because Elon Musk failed. I think it's quite funny. Roth IRA is storming off. I'm up to new all-time highs again. There we go. Look, we're at 52,382. All-time high. What's going up now is Coca-Cola and Tesla's going up now. Amazon's going up. Tilray is having quite a bounce. Enphase Energy is doing very well today. We'll come back to that in a minute. So there you go. Let's go back to our main positions. We're looking to take some profits. McDonald's is too expensive. I want to buy it when it drops. Coca-Cola, I'm not trimming off. I'm owning it forever. 5%. J&J is moving up. Again, I'm not selling this position. Google, let's have a look. It's made me 0.66. It's not worth it yet. VGX05. Let me have a look. Let me go to that. VGX05. Live. White Knight. Show on map. Here we go. Thank you, Pete Barker. VGX05. Okay, flight. Glide flight. Here we go. I'm going to try the other app and see which is better. We're watching Virgin Galactic right now. Let's have a little look. VGX05 is in the air. Okay. There we go. White Knight. Let's have a look. It's en route to where? Where's it going? Spaceport America. Okay, here it is. This is White Knight in the air right now. Thank you ever so much, Pete, for that information. This is a glide flight. Okay, thank you very much indeed for this information. Pete, let's mark this now down here. Live. It is 1 hour 6. 1 hour 6. Thank you very much indeed, Pete, for giving me that information. 1 hour 6. That's the thing. I need all the details like that. 1 hour 6. They've changed numbers today. 1 hour 6. Glide flight. Okay. Let's have a little look. So we'll cover it from here. Let me put SPCE on the stock. See what it's doing. Oh, it shot up. There we go. Glide flight. Let's have a quick look. That's a shame. If we could have confirmed that 5 minutes earlier, I would have bought that dip. Never mind. Not going to chase it now. Because it isn't going to, I don't see it running away forever. Let's go over to this screen here. We've got the glide flight now from Virgin Galactic. Let's bring this one up. And here we go. So it's going to dip back down again. See, you don't want to chase it. Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Glide flight is happening as we speak. You see White Knight in the air there. You can see it. If I zoom on in, you can see what's going on. White Knight, she's now at 20,100 feet, 217 miles per hour in the air, doing her glide flight and looking great. However, this morning we saw SpaceX had to delay their flight. So there's not a lot of interest in space right now, and we can prove that because look at this. If we go back to the stock price, it's going, it popped up, but it's very, very weak, not much volume, and it's being sold off. This is what's happening right now. Virgin Galactic is being scalp traded. I'm doing it myself. I've got my long-term position. I'm holding that. I'm not going anywhere. I'm adding more to it. But my scalp position, I sold it the other day. I'm down to that one share again. I'm waiting for it to go to $3. I don't see it as a catalyst to drive the stock, especially with today's failure of SpaceX. Now, of course, they're completely separate companies. What's that got to do with Virgin Galactic? Absolutely nothing, but it's got everything to do with people's reaction. And people's reaction is they've seen Virgin Orbit collapse. That's now being delisted and taken off. We've got Virgin Galactic with no less than a year's money now to go before they get because before they could potentially go bankrupt. So people are a bit concerned, and they should be concerned. They should be concerned. It's great to see it finally in the air, but it's a little bit late. This has been delayed now over and over again. So what I'm doing is I'm still bullish on Virgin Galactic. I'm still holding my position. I'm not going anywhere. But what I am doing, using my brokerage account, I am scalp trading it. So I see it going to 3. I said it would go to 3 many times, and it did. Many people said it wouldn't, and I always stood by that. That's where I'll see it bouncing this morning. Get to 3 and then take some profit again, and then take a 2, 3, 4% profit if I can. I'm not going to chase it on the way up because it's very, very weak. It could be dumped at any point. The main news will come when they've actually got commercial flights flying, customers paying customers, not just another test. And as you see, exactly as I predicted, no one is jumping all over it. The real money, the big money, doesn't care less. It's seen SpaceX today, which has, far greater capital and technology, not be able to get off the ground. So people are realizing Virgin Galactic, it could go all wrong. It's not a guaranteed thing. It's a rocket company. Virgin Orbit collapsed. Everybody saw that, and they think Virgin Galactic could be next. And there's no real faith in the stock right now. No surprise there, really, if you think about it. Anyway, 337. We're watching it bouncing around at the moment. If I get a chance to buy some around about 3, I will. Let me just refresh that screen a little bit. There seems to be a little glitch there with Robinhood reporting, but I will just refresh it, make sure we've got every detail up to date. You can see White Knight is coming back now, doing its flight test. Okay, let's go back over to that trading screen, and let's see if I can take a position here. Anywhere around here is okay. I would rather wait because it's weak. This isn't enough news to drive the stock. If this is successful, Pete Barker, one of our viewers, has just commented, if this is successful, space going up 10% today. I'm sorry, I don't see that. I would like that to be the case, but I don't see that. I think people have lost so much money now, they are scalping it, which keeps driving it down. Until, like I've always said, I would rather pay $40 for Virgin Galactic that can go to $100, which I still believe it can. Nothing's changed. That's not what I'm saying. $40 to $100 because it's got all the customers lined up. They're all flying tomorrow, the next day, the week after. You've now got a viable business. Right now, it's still volatile. We don't know what's happening. Virgin Galactic since Richard Branson has stepped back, there's hardly any communication. The only communication really comes from the sources I can find here on YouTube and the people I can talk to at Virgin Galactic and then report to you. We should be getting better than that, but we're not. It's a very risky business, and right now people are very, and they should be, concerned. Virgin Orbit, SpaceX today didn't fly. So, at the end of the day, Virgin Galactic is still very speculative until it starts flying regularly with customers. I would rather pay $40 knowing it's going to 100 than pay 3 with it, and it could go bankrupt. Obviously. Well, not obvious to everyone, but that's obvious to me anyway. That's how I feel. So Virgin Galactic, I'm still holding it. My long-term position, my scalp position on my Roth IRA, where I can trade as many times as I like and tax-free gains. I will buy some more. We're going to leave this video now and go back to our main live show. If this changes, I'll be and it drops, I'll buy in. I'll do it live on the show. So join us later here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay. Okay. Just bought another 500 space 10 minutes ago. Good luck, Pete. I wish you all the very, very best indeed. Wash hands, says Hassan L. If this is successful, I can't see that, I have to say. Hello, amigos. Boom, boom, boom. Have you heard of TRMD? I like the stock for long term. Zoom out and see what you think. Joel, I will review a stock for you. It's a member's perk. If you are a member of my channel, I will do a back test portfolio, go into the stock. I'll even buy the stock for you if you want me to, but it is something I do for my members. I have to focus on my members, and then I can focus on you if you become a member. Review a stock, back test portfolio, the whole works. Here's the invitation to join. If you wish to do that, I can do that for you. All right. George Tremaine, keep your eye on AMV. AMV, you might want to cash in if you don't like it. Up today, announcement tonight. Yes, I can't cover that, George Tremaine. I did reply to you on Discord. It's right when the closing bell is. If it was an earnings, pre-market, aftermarket, I would cover it, but I can't cover a Zoom call during my show, I'm afraid. We're still watching VGX5, White Knights in the air doing glide testing. There you go. See it there, look. All right, we're watching at the bottom of the screen. Keeping our eye on that. Let me have a look. AMV. Let's take a quick look at AMV. Thank you very much indeed for that. Let me go over to my Roth IRA because that's where it is. And let's have a quick look. Thank you very much for letting me know. We're trying to make some money from Google. We'll come back to Google in a moment. But first of all, AMV, go to the Roth IRA. Let's have a quick look. AMV, this is the position here. No, I'm up 5.6, but I'm still down on it. I'm not going to sell it for a loss. There's no real need. I don't need to tax harvest. I don't need to post a loss, and I will leave it. But thank you very much for alerting me to that. Let's go. Lucid, still going down. I was trying to come back up again, but I'm not buying any more there. Enphase Energy, we'll cover that in a second, up 6% today. Very nice indeed. I've got one share on my main position, and I think I've got some on my brokerage. Let me have a little look. Let's have a look. On my brokerage position, I've got 6. Yeah, still down 2% on my main position, but much, much better today. Long-term position. Go back to my Roth IRA. There we go. That's looking good. What else have we got today? Coinbase is a bit of a sale, not enough. Tesla, it's not enough to trim off the top, and it's certainly not enough to buy. It's cheap enough to buy back. Virgin Galactic, no, not yet. Not really doing anything yet. Coca-Cola is up today. J&J, not cheap enough. What we're looking for is right down the bottom here, Google. This is where we want to take some profit. And let's go back to our main position and we can look at that now. Here we go. Google. I'm up nearly 0.69, making a small profit on it. Pete, I think 10% today. I think that'd be nice, but I can't see it. Ali Isles, hey fans, how are you? I understand, just something for you and the viewers. British and all. No, Joe, no worries at all. Headquarters in London. I would love to look at it for you, but as I say, I will spend about 5 minutes reviewing it for you if you become a member, and I'll promote it, even buy shares in it for you if you want me to. All right, Google. We're trying to take some profit from this morning. Just a small amount would be nice. 0.66. Let's see if we can get some money out of it. We're watching it. Right, the portfolio is going up. S&P. Virgin, trying to go up again. My overall position will like that, but my Roth wasn't worth buying it. Virgin Orbit, Rivian, 2.95. Nice little pop there this morning. 3% now. It's on a bit of a run. Tesla. Nice little run there as well. Tesla's looking good. I've got a good position. We'll look for some pullbacks. Not selling any more now. We're only looking to buy dips. Lucid. We want to make some profit from that today if we can. Apple. No, that's not a big enough dip. Amazon, that's going up. We're not trimming any more off there. I've already made my money on Amazon. Now I just hold it. Coca-Cola. No, I'm holding that. J&J. Let's go to my Roth position. That's where we're interested in buying. I think I'm up. Yeah, I'm up 3.2. That's not a big enough dip to buy more. Google. Right. We're up 1% now. Now, anywhere around here, because Google invests in SpaceX and there's no flight today, so we'll get another dip, I would imagine. If we can get another % out of this, I'll sell it. If I can make $20, the target is $200 a day. That's 10% of my 10% of my target today already. I'll do it. I'm up 1%, 0.98. Let's see if we can make some money from that today. Remember, it's tax-free as well on the Roth IRA. Tesco's, Next Era Energy, Enphase. Look at that. Lovely stuff. There's my main position. I've got 6 shares in that. That's 3.8% of my portfolio. Brilliant. And we're on the way to make some money. Very nice indeed. Their earnings is April 25th. We are covering it. My Roth IRA is where I'm trading it. And I'm up 22%. I've only got one in my Roth IRA. Very nice indeed. Bitcoin today is down 1.99. Need 2% now. Tilray is up 2.32. Let's go to the Roth position. We're down 4.97. So there's no point selling that yet. Robinhood. I'm flat right now. I want to buy some more. SoFi. What's the news with SoFi today? Up 29%. I'm out of that one at the moment, just the market share. IonQ up 89%. I'm out of that one as well. Canoe today up 8.8. Wow. I'm completely out of Canoe as well. Ford up 0.56, 0.64. Rio Tinto is up 1.25. Okay. Meta, beg your pardon, down 1%. Right. Okay, Meta. So back to the position now. Google is starting to push up a bit more. I might take a profit in a minute because, yeah, we're all-time highs. We're all-time highs again. Here we go. Here's my main position. Here's my Roth IRA. And there we go. 52,000, just under 400. That's an all-time high. If I can make some money this morning from Google, I will. If Samsung does change its search engine to bring the Google to Bing, the Google will go down a lot more. Google has some catching up to do with the AI, says Sensei. I'm never going to write Google off, though. Obviously, I'm a YouTuber, and Google is YouTube. YouTube is Google. I'm fully invested and committed to Google and YouTube, so I'm always going to be in their corner. Anyway, let's have a look. Virgin Galactic is pumping up a little bit. Now, that's good for me in my brokerage account. If I share with you, look, this is my brokerage position, 336 shares. I'm down 15%. So I'm enjoying that going up. Sorry, you're not looking at that, are you? Beg your pardon. There you go. I'm enjoying that going up, and that runs away. That's brilliant. That's brilliant. However, it didn't go cheap enough for me to buy it this morning. I still see it at around $3 again. But if it doesn't, that's fine. I've got my brokerage position. Yes, but it is concerned that Samsung may change to Bing, hence a drop in price. I actually thought the reason why it dropped this morning was just before the flight, some good news potential. You get that where people will sell because they know it'll drive the price down. They can buy it and do it again because they're expecting SpaceX to do well and Google invest in SpaceX. So I don't necessarily go it dropped because of the Samsung thing. I think it dropped because of SpaceX because just before the flight you can sell it. You know it's going to be successful. It wasn't today, but it will be next time, I'm sure. The reliability of SpaceX is very good. They know it's going to happen, so it was just they were hoping they could sell it, buy it back, and make a profit. That's what that was all about. Anyway, in my opinion, Virgin Galactic still going up, looking good now. The Roth, we've just broken another new all-time high. 52,428. Right, we do want to take some profit now. We do want to bank something. So all we're looking at is Google, if we can. Right, it's not quite enough yet. I don't want to do it yet. 1 or 2%, I will do it, but not yet. Lucid, I want to take profit from it. If we can get Lucid up. 2.3% to go. Get some money out of it. Would be good. Let me check my news. Let's have a little look. Google falls. Let's have a look at this here now. Oh, I can't share that with you, can I? Okay. Let me do it this way. You can see there. BlackRock's assets. Oh, no, you can't see that now. Okay, I've got to change that screen. Never mind. Had a slight error today with one of my screens, but I'll fix that later. Lucid bought a good amount of Tesla on that SpaceX dip. Good, congratulations. There's Lucid. Look, can we get some profit out of Lucid today? I will trim off. Looking good. Apple, Amazon, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, J&J, 0.34, not cheap enough yet to buy any more. Google. It's not, I think it's weak now. I'm sensing Google's weak at this point. I don't know if this is going to go up much now. I'm looking at some more news coming across Bloomberg now about the Samsung deal. And I don't know if it's going to recover much today, and with SpaceX as well. So I'm looking to take even just a % profit from it. Remember, it's completely free. There's no tax I pay on it or anything. So it's basically just a $6 is a tip, right? $5.61. I'd like to buy Google back cheaper. It didn't pop up with SpaceX today. This news with Samsung was bringing it down. It's falling away. It's not really got much in it now. I think I'm going to sell Google today. I'm going to sell it there. I just do it for a wash. I make $5 profit, but I'd rather get out of it now. I think it could be a bit weak today. Let me go to Google a minute, and I will sell all 8. Should I sell all 8 or should I sell 4? Okay. Google, here we go. Trade. This is what I'm doing. I'm going to sell some. Sell. I wonder if I should do a limit order or a trading stock trail order on this one. I'm just trying to think now. SpaceX didn't happen. They've invested in that. It'll do good though. The word around SpaceX postpones launch of Starship. I'm just trying to get some more information about the likelihood of Samsung switching to Bing. I'm just trying to feel that out. I would not sell all of Google. I would sell 2/3 of it. No, I've got my long-term position. This is my scalp position. I'm not selling my main position, JP, at all. This is just tax-free scalp trading. This is just quick money, $200 a day target. This is the first move. But because of the failure in SpaceX, and the information now coming in about Samsung, this might not pop today. In fact, it could go lower. Why are you giving misinformation? Sensei is right. Who's giving false information? Who's giving false information? Not for the reason they stopped the launch. Google has dropped. If it was about the Samsung news to the minute. Hang on. Let me just read something here. Yes, but it's concerned that Samsung might... Yes, that's correct. Sensei, nope, not the reason. When they stopped the launch, Google would have dropped if it was. Not necessarily. Not necessarily. If it was about the Samsung news to the minute. It was about the Samsung news to the minute. Bought about a good test of SpaceX. Bought a good amount of Tesla on the SpaceX dip. Yes, I don't understand what happened with space. I only see SpaceX launch. Hello, Mr. Martin. Diego Torres, how are you? I would not sell Google, says JP Rothschild. Why are you giving misinformation? Sensei is right. One, I am not giving misinformation at all. It's my opinion that the reason, very often, a stock, when we expect good news about to happen, will drop because you take profits. The whales can drive a stock down to then buy it back on the pop. That happens all the time. That is not misinformation at all. No, one, you are incorrect. This is my show. This is what I believe, and this is what I'm doing with my money. So no, that's not misinformation at all. That's a fact. There are other contributing factors, of course. Samsung is a real thing. But we all know, at least you should know if you are a trader or an investor, that good news can sometimes drive a stock down. Bad news can sometimes drive a stock up. It's not a matter of fact. If something goes well, stocks go up. If some things go bad, they go down. The stock market doesn't work like that. There's a lot more intricacies to every trade and investment, you know? So many things. So you are wrong to say that is misinformation. It's not misinformation at all. It's my opinion. Let it go down by 2 in it for 30% sale. If you believe in Google, then a dip is a dip. But there is blood on the street. It's not. But it's not a dip. Per se, it's only a dip today on a scalp trade. It's still extremely expensive. I bought it 17% lower than this. It's up 17% in my brokerage account. This is only a daily dip. When I talk about dips, I mean actual dips, not a daily dip. A daily dip is just for scalp trading, completely separate. Anyway, I'm going to hold my Google a little longer. Nothing to do with SpaceX. I disagree with you, one. You're completely wrong, but so that's your opinion. Fake information on this channel. One, everything on this channel is real. This is my opinion. This is my real money. So I don't agree with you at all. This is so there. White Knight 2 now climbing above 30,000 feet. Thank you very much, Pete Barker. Do you still believe in space to do commercial flights within Q2? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Baron Handley, how are you? Let me look at this again then. So Google's going sideways now. Right. Okay, limit order. I'm going to sell my Google at this position. I'm going to do a limit order. 105.8, 105.8. Just set it anywhere, doesn't really matter. Continue. Market hours, continue. In fact, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to change it. I'm going to do a stop trail order on it. and get out for a wash. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a trading stop order. Let's have a little look. All right, I'm going to do a stop trail order, and I'm going to change it to total amount. So we're going to do it at trail amount. I am up now 105.22, 105.22. So I'm up. Let me think now. 20 cents. I'm going to let it go down 20 cents. 7 cents, I'll go at 50. Yeah. I'm going to let it go for 20 cents. Trail amount 20 cents. So it will sell at 150, 105.50. So I'll make a small profit on it. But if it does continue to rise, it will allow enough for movement. Okay, initial 105.54. That's fine. It's a very small profit at that. If it sells at that, I'll make $2. Nothing, but I get my money out. Continue. Today, yeah. Number of shares, I'll sell all 8 because this isn't a great price. I'm up 17% on this. So this is still expensive for the stock. So I'm going to sell all 8. And that'll give me a return of 844. I just paid, what did I just pay for it? I paid for it 841. There we go. So it'll give me a couple of bucks profit minimum. And I get my money out. So I make $2. It's 1% of my target for today. And it might go up from that, but there we go. Review that. There's no tax to be paid on that. And if it runs up, it runs up. If it doesn't, it doesn't. So there we go. It will sell. And I'm probably going to make about $10 on it. Submit. There we go. Now I can forget about it. Okay. Google placed. Done. Okay. So we'll make some money from it. Now I've got my long-term position. And that should take me over the 52,400 today, which will be another all-time high. Let's see what happens. If the glide flight is successful today, Virgin Galactic will do commercial flights in Q2. Let me have a little look. Oh, Google sold. Hey? How did Google sell? How did that happen? Hey? It didn't go to 50, did it? Hang on a second. Let me check that a minute. That didn't make sense. Something went wrong there. Hang on a minute. What the heck happened there? That was a bit strange. What happened there? Trigger stops price 105.78. Trail 105. I said it at 101. Oh, I see. It popped up quickly. Okay, it popped up quickly and dropped back without us even seeing it. Okay, that was great. Perfect. Okay, so this morning I put my money back in the account. That worked out better than I thought, actually. Right, so I bought it at 841, sold it at 846. It's about $5 profit, right? Okay. 450, whatever it was. So at the end of the day, I made about $4. Not a lot, but it's tax-free. It's back in. Google's weak today. I've still got it in my brokerage position. If we go back to my brokerage position, there it is. I'm up 18%. So this is not a cheap price for Google. So I don't want to be buying it at this price. It could fall down. And if we do get the bad news from Samsung, it's going back down to my original buying price where I will buy it. I will load up on it. But there you go. The money's back in my buying power. I've made a profit, and that's good. That's good. There we go. And if we look at it, we're at 52,378 now. Excellent. And my Roth's there, looking good. All right, I'll take that. Now we'll try and buy Google cheaper. For the last 6 months, I've been scalping Zim and RA. Thank you, Rothschild. Buy more space with your money from Google. Let me go and have a look now. Space. No, not yet. Not yet. I've got enough. I've got enough in my brokerage account. This is my scalping trade. I don't want to be buying it. I'm not going to buy a pump. Never ever buy it when it goes up. That's my golden rule. I only buy stocks when they go down. I don't buy them on the way up. I don't want emotion to come into it. I don't want to no, never do that. I'm not looking to do that. Yep, we're at a new all-time high now, 52,400. There we go. Excellent stuff. So let's look for another opportunity now. You are crazy to think it has something to do with SpaceX. Well, that's your opinion. That's your opinion. If you build a YouTube channel, you can share your opinions. At the end of the day, whoever you are, I have just made some money. My portfolio is consistently up. I'm consistently making money. It may not suit you for what my opinions are. However, I'm here to make money and share my honest opinions with everybody, my real trades, my real money. And there you go. This is all my money in all the world. And I don't intend gambling or taking speculative risks. I am balanced. I am making money. That's what we do here. And that's my opinion. And I am sticking with it. And if you don't agree with me, then I invite you to set up your own YouTube channel and you can do what you like. But anyway, who puts 800 in a buy to make 5 cents? Well, first of all, you didn't understand what I just said. I actually made $5, not 5 cents. How are you going to make $200 a day trading like this? Well, I do consistently. You've just watched my show. I'm live 10 hours a day for a year and a half now, every day. And my portfolio started at $5,000 and it is up now to, as you can see, 52,409, a new all-time high. So there you go. I'm up again today, making money consistently. And we're not here to spread rumor and drama and whatever. I'm just here to share with you the news. I'm giving everyone the opportunity to speak. If he gets rude, of course I'll ban him. But right now we're having a conversation. One's getting a bit tiresome. Yes, he is indeed. But I give everyone the benefit of the doubt. Okay. Microsoft. Let's have a look. Now then, Google, I will buy it again if it drops back down. Okay? Now, you might say, well, won't you feel bad if it runs up today? No, not at all. I'm up 17% on it. I've made some profit. The idea is to make consistent profit without any risk, without any drama. I don't, have to worry or be stressed about anything. There's no margin. There's no loans, debts. Anyway. Everyone trades and invests different. That's correct, Ed. He just trades a bit different. Yeah, but it works for me. It works for me. Consistently make profits, consistently grow. That's all that really matters. And remember, I'm that $5. I mean, let me just put something to you. I made about $4.50. By owning a company which you're never going to lose on, Google, right? I made $4.50. Would you walk past $4.50 if you saw it lying on the ground? No, didn't cost me anything. And that doubled the amount I've earned on YouTube today. So I'm very happy to make $4.50. And remember, I bought my house with $1 tips. I own a house in England that I bought with $1 tips. That's it. $1 single dollar over and over again. Nothing wrong with a bit of debate. No, exactly. He wasn't being rude. He was saying it. He was saying that it's misinformation, which isn't true. But that's in, I happily defend my position. Amazon going up. McDonald's. So we're looking now. Let's see if White Knight is still in the air. Yes, it is. Let's have a little look. White Knight is at 31,000 feet. This is White Knight. A profit is a profit. I know. Exactly. Profit over and over again. Where's your house in England? It's Buckingham Palace. There's my... there's White Knight there. Look, at 31,000 feet. So we're still watching White Knight. Let's zoom in a little bit so we can see it moving. Oh, there you are, off the screen now. There you go, 10 seconds ago. There you go. There's White Knight at 31,100 feet. On its way to 40,000 feet. They will release Unity at approximately 50,000 feet. Right, good stuff. We'll come back to that. If we get some more information, Coca-Cola. Coinbase has dropped also. A scalp chance. Coinbase. Let me have a look. You might be right. A scalp opportunity, Eric B. I'm right in agreement with you there if it's gone low enough for me. My portfolio now is, another new all-time high. 52,428 now. Brilliant, 23. Okay, let's go to our Coinbase. Let's scroll down to Coinbase. Let's have a little look. 5.25. Do we see that as an opportunity here? Make 5% on it, couldn't you? Yep. Uh, 66. 66.40. Okay, continue. Continue. Today. 2. Review. There you go. It's Coinbase. Okay. 3. Okay, we'll keep our eye on Coinbase, and we'll sell it today at maybe a 4% profit on that if we can. Do you get Twitch? Do you got Twitch? Do you get Twitch? Yes, I'm on Twitch right now. I'm on Twitch right now. Here is my Twitch. You'll need to lower the resolution because it is. I broadcast in 4K. So yes, I'm on Twitch right now. Martyn Lucas Investor, same name as this channel. All my channels are exactly the same name. Here's the Twitch link. If you subscribe to me over there, you can use Amazon Prime Gaming. There you go. There is my link. You will need to reduce the resolution because I do broadcast in 4K on YouTube and it won't like it. So just drop the resolution, otherwise it shakes about. I think the experience is much better here on YouTube. I only timed out because he says misinformation. That's right. Thank you very much, Sensei. Cornwall is where... Cornwall, yeah. As long as you're not rude, it's fine. Absolutely. Just wonder where you were is all. Yeah, Cornwall. But I'm actually here in Texas right now. Virgin Glat is going to pop in May, says Live and Learn. Coinbase has dropped. We just bought Coinbase. So, Ali, what do you think of that? Thank you very much. You're very, very welcome. You're very, very welcome indeed. All right, Coinbase. Let's go back to... I'm watching Coinbase right now. If it pops up 5%, I will sell one of those positions. I will keep the other one. Flight Radar 24 isn't as glitchy, Martin. Probably better to use that app on your show. Thank you very much. Let me have a look. Flight Radar. I'll go over to that one. There you go. Thank you ever so much for that. What is the call sign again? Let me do it now. VGX5, VGX5, VGX5. Okay. That's unusual. VGX5 isn't showing on flight radar. How bizarre is that? VGX05. Ah, there you go. Isn't that funny? One says, you never make 200 a day. You just continuously deposit money and call it your all-time. Let's see your deposits if you're honest. Right. One, I'm going to be getting to the end of my patience with you now because I am the most honest person on YouTube. Our channel is about being the most honest. I am not depositing any money into my portfolio now. I haven't done for about nearly six weeks. My only income is on YouTube, and it's about $5-6 a day, and then I pay my bills. The reason why my portfolio is up because I am trading and investing wisely and reinvesting my dividends. So you know, you never make $200 a day. You'll just continue to deposit in money and you call it all-time highs. Let's see your total deposits if you're honest. If you're honest, I share absolutely everything on screen here. What do you share? Right? What do you share? This is my real money, my real shares. In fact, I'll do it because other people are watching this and I will share everything. I do every single day. Right. Here we go. Here is my all-time, here is my main brokerage account. I'm up $230 today. I haven't put any money in today. Zero. Didn't put any money in yesterday or the day before or the day before. And if you watch the show every day, you'll know that. Everybody does. There is my Roth IRA. That's up $56. Put no money in there today. And my overall balance is $52,462. You're watching it going up right in front of your eyes. So there you go. Now then, have I lost any money? Yes. Over $40,000. If I go to my main account here, all time, I'm down over 40 grand. In fact, I'm just about to break it for the first time. Why? Because I built a YouTube channel on the basis of honesty and trust. And I built this and started trading right round about here. This is when the market was pumping, and I started trading then because I couldn't have a YouTube channel where I would simply just come in when the markets were down. I had to trade as it was happening, and I started a YouTube channel right at the end in the last 6 months of a ridiculously overpriced bull market. And all other YouTubers and people like you would come on and say, you won't last when you keep losing money. Well, guess what? I kept buying all the way down and I was live 10 hours a day, every day for a year and a half. I've never gone anywhere. Unlike other YouTubers, when they lose money, give up. I never go away, never give up. And I've been here every day. And what I did, if you can imagine, I had 10, let's say I had 10 shares at $10. I now have 1 million shares at $1. If you think about the averages and how many I have. So, and all the way down here, I was using margin. I had 50 grand worth of margin. And I decided, because I got COVID at Christmas, that I could die. What if I got ill? My wife wouldn't know what I was doing. So I decided to clear my margin. And people like you came on and said, oh, you got margin called. No, I didn't. I got, I was margin called for $1. That's not a margin call. And I decided to clear it even because I knew it was going lower. And what would happen if I got ill and so on and so forth. So I took my loss, not worried about that because I knew I'd get it all back. And since December, I called the bottom of the market. I've been up consistently. Why have I been up consistently? Because I changed my strategy. I changed my strategy. I don't use margin anymore, so I don't pay $288 a month in interest, which is what I was paying. Now I scalp trade in a Roth IRA. I didn't have a Roth IRA in December, in November. That only came out in December. So now I can scalp trade tax-free. And consistently, as you can see, year to date, I'm consistently up. So I don't just keep adding money. I only live on YouTube. I have about $5-6 a day. And the only way I earn money is from my members. You're not even a member. So you're getting all this for free. If I wanted to make videos and money and care about myself, that's how to make money. Just make lots of videos. I do make some videos, but I spend 90% of my time going live, doing live shows, because I want to demonstrate the honesty of my show. Everyone watches it every day. It's why we have the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube when it comes to live viewers who are members. 95% of my live viewers are members. And that's why, because they see me every day. You've just come on in and you've no idea of the history of my channel. And I hope that explains it to you. I share everything. In fact, that is all the money I've got in the world. No money anywhere else. I've only got $200 in my checking account. I used to keep $1,500 to pay the day-to-day bills, and now I put it all in Robinhood because I earn 4.4%. It makes more sense. I pay my bills directly from from Robinhood. Okay. Okay, let me read some more comments. Show him your deposits to shut him up. I'm not going to go into any more detail. Ali, you know. Anyway, I'm certain one is the same guy who keeps coming here under different names. Quite possibly. Yeah, just leave it. If you don't believe him, don't watch. He shares all the time his account. Yes, we are. Sid, we've been covering it. We've been covering it this morning. Here is Virgin Galactic. It's in the air doing flight tests, and we are covering it. VGX05. There we go, on the flat. There we go. There you go. We're watching it right now on the screen. You're not answering the question or being transparent. You don't need a story. I don't need a total deposits if you don't. I want to see total deposits if you don't mind. One, I will discuss every detail with you as I do with everyone, but we have a members privilege here that members get all their questions answered. I'm spending so far half of my show talking to you with the greatest respect. You're not a member. I have to focus on my members. If you want to be a member and support this channel, I will gladly share and answer every single question. But at this point, I've spent half the show talking to you. And as I say, this isn't your show. I've given you half the airtime of the show. So there's the invitation to join. If you want more information and want every question answered, you are very welcome. And I will answer every question truthfully, openly, and honestly with you. But you've run out of free questions. All right. I think Martyn, you don't lose your time. Answer people that not deserve it. Go on with your channel. It's the best. It's the best in YouTube. Sorry, no, Diego. Thank you so much for your love and support there. I try to answer everyone, and we've debated this before, and you all decided that you do like the emotion. There you go. Virgin Galactic going down. I said it would. People are like, it will keep going up and up. It won't. This isn't good enough news for Virgin Galactic yet. Let's go back to Google. That's where I sold it. You see why I sold it? Some of you said, and one said, oh, why are you selling it? $5, you're an idiot. Well, I sold it at the top. Now it's going back down again. Would you prefer I kept it just to show you how much I can lose? No, it's not your money, is it? It's my money. One who's also crypto and ledger portfolio. Total deposit is 1,500, now over 2,200. Yep, indeed, it's right. To be frank, he's totally transparent about how he's down since he began. Yeah, and about how much. Yeah, down 40 grand. I asked about it today. Does it matter how much he deposits? He's making money. What's it really matter? Exactly, Fight Channel. We had a debate on our channel. Should I answer everybody? And you all said yes. You like the honesty. Give Martyn some credit. We're all wanting for the bull market to return. Then 200 a day will be easily achievable. Trying to make 200 a day in a bear market without going short is nearly impossible. But I'm doing it. Most days I do it, Pete Barker. Most days I do it, and I've got no margin. I've got no drama or stress. If you come here, you just for stock tips, you're off your head. This is a family filled with great people sharing their journeys on investing. It's much, much more than that. Thank you very much, Jason Fallon. This is a family filled with great people sharing their journeys on investing, and it is much, much more than that. Thank you, Jason. 22, but why won't you show deposits? I've answered all your questions now. Become a member if you want more of my time. Okay. Right, we're looking for more opportunities now. Let's see if we can make some money. The S&P is going up. Virgin Galactic, see what I mean about it going back down. I'll buy it at 3 and that's it. The fish will gather again for the Andrea Gale. The stocks will gather again for Martyn Lucas. It's a theory I've always had. Lucid, we're nearly at the point of taking some profits. Apple, no, not cheap enough. Amazon, not cheap enough. I'm not adding to it anyway. McDonald's, I need 10% drop. Coca-Cola, no, just holding. J&J, just holding. Google, yeah, see, look, no real action here. I'm glad I took my profit. And if it goes lower, I'll buy it again. But that was the right thing to do. Microsoft. Because now the money's safely back in the bank. In fact, it's gone up. And just for the benefit of our doubter, we're now at another all-time high, 52,429. So we'll go up again. I agree, it's much more than a trading channel. I also get Piano Man when I want it. Absolutely. Absolutely right. Walmart, not yet. Tesco, not yet. Next, Era Energy, 5.87 on my portfolio, up 2.78 now. Very nice indeed. Also comes with a good dividend. Top stock, this one to hold. Enphase Energy, very nice indeed. I've got 1 share on my Roth, and that could be, I could take that as a profit now, 23%. I might take that profit. That's free money. Now look, you've got my brokerage account, my brokerage position here. All right. I'm virtually flat now. I bought it when it dipped, and it's nearly about to make some money. So look, I am thinking to bank this. I'm up 23% on Enphase Energy. It doesn't matter to me how far it goes up. 23% is double what you can earn on a good year on the S&P. Double. So if I sell that, that's $43 plus the 5 already made. So I'm up to $47 profit today if I sell that. And that's then 25% of the way to my $200 target a day. And remember, it's tax-free. So shall I sell my 1 share of Enphase Energy? I'm thinking so. Let's have a little look. That's a nice pump there today. Yep. I like it. Yeah, I'm going to sell that Enphase Energy. So we're going to make another profit now. So if we go back over to my Roth IRA, let's go to Enphase. And here we go. So scroll down to Enphase. On my Roth, we're going to sell that 1 share. Okay. Enphase Energy. It's running. So what we're going to do, we're going to set a what is the movement? There's 44. 44. It's pretty much straight up. 35. What was it there? 226.49. 225. So it's $1. So I'm going to allow it to drop $1. Okay, so here we go. We're going to sell this one and we're going to bank that profit, okay? So we're going to go trade, sell, and we're going to do it on a trading stop order. And we're going to do it by $1. Trail amount, $1. So I'm making $44. At worst, I make $43. And it allows it to move. So that way, it can move, and I will bank the profit, and I'll look for it on a day when it's dropped. 8.5% in a day is great, right? So trail it $1. Okay, continue. Just for today, numbers of shares, 1, because there is only 1 in here. Trading stop amount, $1. Roth IRA review. And we will sell this when it drops to 1,225. Okay? And I'll make a decent profit on that 1 share. Okay? So here we go. We'll sell that one and we'll swipe that up. So there we go. So that guarantees me 25% of my target today. So there you go. I've now made $50 today, guaranteed, tax-free, no drama or stress. And the target is $200 a day. So there's a 25% of it. And as soon as that drops $1, 225, it'll sell it. Okay, and that'll put the money back in my Roth IRA. So we can leave that alone for the minute, and if it keeps going up, that's great. If not, that's fine. Let's see what it does. 68 cents to go, and it will sell that one. It will sell around here, and that's a good profit in a day. Okay. We've got day trader of the day competition. Now, let me see. We're giving away a $1,000 value prize, $100 in cash, and 15 hours of one-on-one training from Ed Nevius, scalp trader extraordinaire, who's paid for the training courses, who's going to give it you for free. Here is the screen. Let's see if anybody's entered today. 982. We've got daily bonuses. Let's refresh the screen. There you go. Let's refresh it. 982. We now have 983 tickets today. Okay. Let me give you the link. It's free to enter, free for all. And even one can win. A $100 cash prize and 15 hours of one-on-one tuition with Ed Nevius. There is the opportunity for you there. Okay. Right. Now then, boo-hoo, Martin missed my 9 months membership earlier. Brick Mark, did I? Brick Mark, 9 months. Brick Mark, 3 months ago, glad you're part of the family. Brick Mark, you know what, Brick Mark? I'm not going to do that. I'm going to make sure we cover that. It's a celebration. Celebration. It is a long-term member. Shall we hear from Brick Mark? Here we go. He's been a member for 9 months. Let's hear all about it. Brilliant stuff. This is Brick Mark. Let's have a celebration in 5, 4. There it is. Yes. Congratulations. He's been a member now for 9 months. Thank you very much indeed, Brick Mark. I'm sorry I missed it. Only the space nerds are aware of the glide flight taking place right now. After Virgin Galactic published their press release is when the stock moves up and it's getting closer to commercial flights. Right, we're starting to see a little drop now. So now you see why I sold Enphase, because the market pumped and now it's selling off. So we want to get some profit out of Enphase, and we can do it again. Virgin Galactic is moving up. My overall portfolio is doing all right. Let me go over to White Knight. Is she still in the air? Let's have a look. VGX05. Show on map. Yes, she is still in the air at 39,000 feet. So let's go back to her now. Let's have a quick look. Virgin Galactic is still going up, but not much. There we go. We're watching her fly right now. Thank you for keeping me updated, Pete. Right. We're coming to the end of the show. We've got to do day trader of the day for everybody. Virgin Galactic still very weak though, still selling off. Let's go back to Enphase and see what it's doing. Hang on a minute. 6 shares, Roth IRA. That can't have sold. What is going on here this morning? That can't have sold. Enphase Energy. Did it sell? Hang on a minute. What's going on here? We received your order to sell 1 share. Right. Your order to sell 1 share of Enphase went through at 224.91. 224.91. Okay. Okay. It did. There you go. There's a difference there. Okay. $42 profit. I made $42. $42. 224.91. When did it go there? All right. That's interesting. Can anyone explain that? I didn't see it drop to 224. Did anyone see that? 224. But again, I know what it probably is. This is a simplified chart, and there are ripples in between. Anyway, I would take $42 any day. Yeah, exactly. I'm happy with that. So I'll wait for another pullback. So there you go. I've now got more. I'm surprised it dropped. Doesn't matter though. I bought my Coinbase. Have I made profit from that yet? Let's go back to Coinbase a minute. So we'll look for a pullback on Enphase now. What other opportunities do we have? Coinbase is still falling. Yeah, I bought a couple this morning, and it's dropping. So we're not doing anything there. We're just going to hold that. Hood isn't cheap enough yet. Anyway, we've now got 1,200, 2,600. So we've got even more cash. Now, one will probably say he just put more money in his account. No, I didn't. I just sold it and made a profit. But anyway, 2,600. That's fine. Brilliant. Okay. 52,000. We've dropped a little bit in the last few minutes. So that's why I took the profit. Because the markets is now selling off. See that? Okay. So we took profit from Google. That was the right thing to do. We bought it here, sold it here. Now it's coming back down again. So that was the right thing to do. So I'm glad I did that. Enphase Energy, I took whatever it was, $43 out of 1 share. It was like 40%, 23% profit, I think it was. That was the right thing to do. I'm very happy with that. Now, I've still got my main brokerage position, which is benefiting from this. In fact, I'm now in the black, in the green. And I'm not saying this because this is I'll pay tax on this. The one I just sold, I don't pay tax on. So there we go. Is your chart set on 5 minutes or 1 minute? Jumps happen and you might not see them. Brickmark, that's what it must be. There's no way to change the setting. There is no way on Robinhood. Chart, show extended hour, education, learn more, launch tool, chart settings. There is no more. The only thing you can do is go to the advanced charts here, and of course there it will show more information. 1 day. Yeah, it's not. See, it doesn't have that amount. Candles. I can add the candles, but 9:35, 9. It's 5 minutes. It's 5 minutes. Yes, it's 5. Yes, thank you for letting me know. It's on 5 minutes. There is no 1 minute here. That's why it's not showing. But there isn't anything else. Let me just check. No, there is no 1 minute on Robinhood. But that's fine. That's what a stock trail order's for. So that's obviously what happened. In that minute, it dropped. But that's fine. That's exactly what that's for. But there you go. It's set for 5 minutes. Jumps happen and you might not see them. There you go. If I'd set it for $2, it would have stayed in. But I didn't want to do that because I'm not greedy. I'm happy with an 8% pump today. That's brilliant. 8% in a day, fantastic. I'm happy with that. As long as I'm making profits, I don't care. I'm not married to the stocks. I just want to make money. Okay. Space, no opportunity yet. It's got to go to 3. Google, no opportunity. Oh, it's going down lower now. Now we can start to buy it back. Roth IRA. I want to buy it for $80 though. It's not cheap enough yet. And Enphase is still running, so we're out of that for now. Coke's running, J&J's running, Apple. No, that's not enough of the dip today. Amazon, no. I'm just letting that run up. McDonald's, I want 10% down. No, nowhere near. Okay. Yes, Ali, isn't it great? Nearly 1,000 entries. I know, it's really great. A lot more people have entered the competition than our test. So I'm really, really happy with it. Really, really great. There's more opportunities every day. So if you've not entered your daily today, 989, was it 983 or 989? It's just gone up again to 989. So some of you have just taken advantage from the daily entries. S&P, Virgin Galactic. There's no opportunity now. Lucid. Let's have a look at Lucid. No. It popped up a little bit, but I didn't get my money out. 778. No. Still no good yet. How many people we've got watching this now? Let's see. We've had 207 through the stream. 7,229 is now 7,230 subscribers. Thank you to all of you. 33 likes, 41 watching. If you can subscribe and ring the bell, give me a thumbs up. That would be brilliant. I've got to get out of here. I've got to get off to my physical therapy today. Thanks for joining me. Let's do day trader of the day. There was something else I wanted to tell you about today. Yes. That's what I wanted to tell you. What was it? I wanted to go to my music channel and see if we've gone up to we were at 3,200. We've got to get to 4,000 watch hours. And I want to see if we've got there. Boom, boom, says Alex. It's not water dancing, no. Right, analytics. Let me have a little look. For those of you who didn't see, over the weekend, I entertained 100 Texan ladies, a fundraiser event for our friends in Ukraine. We're still showing 3,200. It hasn't yet updated any more. Look, 3,200. Hopefully you'll all continue streaming my music. There you go. Look, there you go. 3,200. So it'll refresh later on today. Hopefully we'll be at 3,300 today. Hopefully we will be. Virgin Galactic. Let me go back to the flight. 50,000 feet. We're at 37,000 now, so we're still climbing. 50,000 feet is the magic number when we get release. But we're at 37,750. Are we still climbing? Just watching it. Let me share with you on the screen. 37,700, yes. Oh no, we're just about the same. We're not really going anywhere at the moment. In fact, we're coming down slightly. Yeah, we're coming down. At the moment, anyway. 30,600 and... yeah, under 600 now. It's coming down. We'll keep an eye on that. But anyway, we have to end right now. Virgin Orbit, Rivian, Tesla, Lucid, Apple, Amazon, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, J&J, Google going sideways. I'm looking for a dip. We can use the profit to buy the dip. It's only $5, but it was $5 nevertheless. Enphase Energy, that's still running, but my main account is enjoying that. If I'd set a $2 trail, it would have carried on going, and I would have made even more money. But it doesn't matter. My brother is home from leave. Wonderful stuff. He says, hi, everyone. Hello, brother of Ali Isles. How are you? Thank you for your service. Up 0.65%. Still looping. Thank you. Thank you very much, Stephen Lewandowski. Did anybody go on my... well, let me just change that screen a minute. Did anyone go... let me just change it. Hang on. Back to here. Okay. Did anyone go on my shop this morning on eBay? I'm selling my Phantom of the Opera souvenirs, my World Piano Man signed card for $1. I'm doing it at the cheapest possible price of just $1. The reason for that is I want to get everyone to buy one so I can get 10 orders and 10 good reviews so I can go international selling, because I've got all my audience around the world who can't buy anything yet until the Americans, 10 Americans have bought stuff. So there you go. It's just $1 plus postage. You can only buy it if you're American, I'm afraid, at the moment, because I need international selling. But if you can, go on and just $1 and you'll be able to get that souvenir there. Okay. Okay, let's do day trader of the day. 38,000 feet. Yes, at 600. 38,700. 800. No, I thought she was going up steeply then, but no. Okay. Watching Virgin Galactic. Let's do day trader of the day for our members. Here we go. Back to the main portfolio. And I'm up today again. Didn't put any money in one. I don't think one's even here anymore, right? Oh, he's still here. One. Yeah, he's still here. Hi. I'm up today. No money deposited. Okay. All right, 0.38. So let's do day trader of the day, up 0.38%. There we go. In my main brokerage account, I've made more money today on my Roth IRA, but I always give you the lowest number. 0.38%. Let's give you a minute on the clock once you start posting, and we'll find out who the winner today is. Fight Channel is up 1.15. Congratulations. Sid from the Netherlands, up 1.96. Very nice indeed. That might be a winning score today. Up 0.35, Stephen Lewandowski. 39,700. 39,800. 39,900. She's going up at the moment. 50,000. We get release, of course. down 1.3. Sid from Eric. Looks like our winner's going to be Sid from the Netherlands at 1.96. Congratulations to you, Sid. Thank you for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up as well. Brilliant. And bring on the sound effects. Sid should be a member, shouldn't he? He should be a member. Be our first member from the Netherlands. Up 0.18%. Ali, can you send me your Discord link? I've got to change things again. So I didn't. That's why I didn't share anything today. Okay. Send that to me in a message. That'd be great. The S&P going down. Virgin Galactic, it's a bit sluggish at the minute. A good little pop, but nothing much. Rivian, Tesla, Apple. Fight Channel saying subscribe, become a member. Shall we give them the invitation? Shall we give Sid the invitation? We've not got any members from the Netherlands. Wouldn't it be great? And then we can give him all these benefits and perks and promote his channel if he goes silver at least. Anyway, there is the invitation to join. Anyway. I've got to go. I've run out of time. It's White Knight is now at 39,950 feet. She is slowly going up. What do you think about Shiba? Shiba, well, what is there to say about Shiba? It's just speculative gambling. It's not an investment, crazy Rickan. We made some money out of it once for a laugh on the show, but it's not a serious investment for me. And my crypto investing is all handled by Sensei Crypto. He will tell me what to buy, when to buy it, and I'll share with you on the screen my crypto assets. These are in fact, I can't share because it's a premium service, but I will share with you my balance. We are doing a crypto challenge with Ali Tizro, which is Sensei. And this is it here. I'll share with you on the screen. Look, this is it here. I put $1,000 in. Only 40% of it's invested. The rest of it is on USDC, earning 4%. So I'm guaranteed to make money. The 40% of it's invested, and I can't scroll down below and show you my assets because they are secret assets because it's part of our premium service. Sensei will tell you what to buy, when to buy it. He spends his life entire, it seems like 24 hours a day, he never sleeps, telling me what to buy. And I've only invested about $400. 40 bucks of my 1,000 and I'm up 177. So you can see I'm extremely happy with that. Great result. There's my all-time position. Look, really, really great. So very, very happy with that. Congrats and thank you, Ali Sensei, for doing that. All right. Brilliant. So Crazy Rickon, if you come over to YouTube, let me give you my link of where we are right now. I can put you in touch with Ali should you wish to know all about the crypto challenge. Here is the link to YouTube where we are right now. There you go. There's the link there. Okay. We've done Day Trader of the Day. I think we're done. The overall portfolio is up today. This is good. I'm here. Oh, you're already here. I see. Oh, you're on both places. Fantastic. Fantastic. All right, let me share with you. If you become a member, are you a YouTuber? You look like you got a fancy icon there. If you become a member of my channel, I put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel to get everyone to subscribe to you, and we have a lot of fun, and you get many other perks as well as a member. That's why nearly everybody watches is a member, because they get a lot of perks. Right, my overall portfolio is up 0.41. My Roth IRA is going back up. And we're just about an all-time high. We touched 52,400 earlier, but we banked our profit. We've got more cash on hand now, 2,628. We had more cash than we started the day with. We've taken some profits. We're just about an all-time high, and we protected our account, and it's looking great. There's the Discord. Okay. I will share that with everybody right now. 96 members now. Look at that. Well done, Sensei. Congratulations to you. Here's Ali's Sensei's Discord link. If you access this, it's free, but if you want the premium service, it's a premium service that he does, works for you and shows you all the trades and all the crypto we're buying and selling and supports you on the journey. It's been very, very successful. And if you are a member of mine, you get a lifetime discount as a member of mine. You virtually get my membership for free if you are a member of mine. Okay. Appreciated a lot. You're very welcome. Was giving you my Prime. Oh, did you? That's very kind of you. Did you subscribe to me on Twitch today? Yes, you did. I didn't realize that. The Crazy Rickon subscribed with Prime. Thank you very much indeed. Let me thank you for that. Because Crazy Rickon, that's a wonderful gift. It's about $2.50 a month. It doesn't cost you any money if you use Amazon Prime, but it really helps my channel. So thank you so much for doing that. Let's celebrate. Appreciate that very much indeed. So I'm going to regard that as a new member. It's a new membership over there on Twitch. There you go. Yay! Thank you very much indeed. Appreciate it. Thank you so much indeed, Rickan. Thank you for your support. All the money I get goes into my building the studio and into my stocks. Every single penny. I'm always watching you. I stay quiet. I never realized. Where are you from? So would everybody please welcome the Crazy Rickan. He's become a member on Twitch, so I get the tip from Amazon, $2.50 a month, something like that. Thank you very much indeed. If anybody else wants to do that, it's much appreciated. We're not doing the giveaway anymore on Twitch. It wasn't successful. Hardly anybody's a member. I've only got 5, and 2 of those are me and Leah. So we've only actually got 3, and one of those is the Crazy Rickan. So thank you very much. We couldn't do the giveaways anymore. I was losing money on it. So there you go. If you become a member on Twitch and renew it every month, I get a little tip. Doesn't cost you anything, but all that money goes into my portfolio and supports the channel. There you go. Where are you from, the Crazy Rickan? I'm actually from Puerto Rico. Now, this is very important. You're from Puerto Rico. I got shivers when you said that because me and Leah, we were in the middle of Hurricane Irma. One of the largest hurricanes in history hit St. Martin, and Category 5, wind speeds of 245 mile an hour gusts, one of the biggest hurricanes ever, and we were right in the eye of it, and people all around us were in a bad way. We survived, and we were airlifted out of there by the American Air Force, taken to Puerto Rico. And when we got to Puerto Rico, we had nothing, just the clothes we were standing up in. And the people in Puerto Rico, the following couple of days, they had the hurricane come to them. So they had a bad time too. But when we got there, they were okay. Obviously, that's why we was evacuated there. And the people of Puerto Rico gave us some clothes. I've still got the T-shirt and the shoes that I was given by Puerto Rico citizens who gave me some clothes to wear. And I really appreciate the hospitality we were given by the people of Puerto Rico. When we landed, we were given some clothes to wear. And I'll never forget that. So thank you very much, the Crazy Rickan, and from the people of Puerto Rico. Appreciate it. Right, I've got to go. We're out of time. We've done Day Trader of the Day. The S&P is going back down. Now, we had some profit taken this morning. That's why I've sold. It was the right thing to do. I took some profit on Google. Sold that. Scalp trade today. Only made $5, but that was all there was to get out of it. So it was the right thing to do rather than losing money. Enphase Energy, I think, is cooling. I took a profit today and around about here. So there was a little bit more in it, but that's okay. I made a profit on it. I'm happy with that. I'm sorry, I'm used to natural disasters. Yes, it was pretty scary. There's no water dancing today. It's just physical therapy. Thank you. Take care. Hope you have a good therapy. Thank you very much indeed. Let's roll the credits. The portfolio is coming up. The Roth IRA is coming up. And we're just about hitting an all-time high once again. 400 is our all-time high. We bank the profits. We don't pay any tax on it. There we go. All-time high. Excellent stuff. Didn't put any money in. Just traded it and made some money. Okay. We'll come back this afternoon and hopefully we can make the other 150 bucks, which would be great. As Jason says, we're in a bear market at the moment. So 200 bucks a day on a bear market is great. I've made 50 so far. Tilray. No point selling it yet. Lucid. Aha! Lucid. I'm going to leave it for a bit, but we are getting a chance to sell something soon. There we go. Right, let's roll the credits. Let's get out of here. Thank you very much for all joining me today. I'll see you back for the closing bell this afternoon. Let's see if we've got any credits to roll today. We might have a little bit. I don't know. The stars of our show today was... let me see. A minute. Did I unlink the credits? Yes, I did. Let me roll them again. Okay, here we go. Stars of our show today. Followers, the Crazy Rickan. And he followed me on Twitch today. And he became a member. So thank you, Crazy Rickan, for your tip today via Amazon Prime and Twitch. Much, much appreciated. And Brickmark celebrated his 9 months as a member today. Soon be 12 months, mate. It will roll down very quick. Portfolio's rising very quickly. Looking very nice indeed. All right, I'll see you all back in a bit. Thank you ever so much, everybody on TikTok. Thank you ever so much, everybody on Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, multiple websites. Don't forget to go and check out your chance to win today. We're giving away a $1,000 value prize, 100 in cash, and 15 hours of one-on-one tuition. Here is the link to our giveaway. It's completely free, and you only need one ticket to win, and you can enter as many times as you want to give yourselves more chance to win. So if you'd like to do that, go and check it out. It's free. Why wouldn't you? You're going to get 100 bucks in cash, and you're going to get 15 hours of one-on-one training. I'm nearly 12 months with this account, Sensei. Yes, your badge will go from yellow to gold very soon, like Ali Isles. He's gold. That's it from me. Thank you ever so much indeed. Have a lovely afternoon. And as always, take care of your money. Take care of your crypto. Take care of yourselves and each other. See you back in a bit. Keep watching, keep looping my music channel. I want to be at 3,200. What's my prize for being a member? You get a gold badge and you love it. Take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye for now.